The market is constantly in motion, and so are the opportunities. Market is constantly moving up and down the chart, and with the right analysis, money is made in between that up and down movement, guys. From the lightning speed of the 1 minute chart to the medium 30 minutes chart, we are about to explore the best time frames to help you capitalize on the market's smallest movements. And today, we are going to discuss about the scalping trading strategy. I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys asking me what the best time frame for scalping, day trading and swing trading and thereabout is. So in today's video we are going to start with scalping. You see, when it comes to crypto trading, the best time frame is not a one for all option. Okay, every time frame has its own advantage and disadvantage. However, I'm going to give you the most popular and profitable options for scalping. Right? So the first time frame we are going to talk about is the 1 minute time frame. All right, it's also known as the lightning fast scalping. We use this chart. It is ideal for extreme scalpers who want to capitalize on price movement, but I don't recommend that you use this as a beginner or an intermediate. This is used mostly by pros, okay, those who understand the market like the back of their fingers. All right. Secondly, the 5 minute chart frame. The 5 minute chart frame is perfect for those who want to balance speed and a bit of market context. All right. This 5 minute chart is popularly a choice for scalpers. They love it so much. Although I'm also, a 5 minute chart frame scalper, and I'll tell you why this is, very important for 5 minute scalpers. All right. The 5 minute chart offers a good spot between speed and market context. What I mean is that you get to see short-term market movement while you still have the opportunity. You still have enough time to actually analyze. All right, you have enough time to actually analyze the market and decide whether to buy, hold, or even sell your asset. Unlike the 1 minute chart frame, that doesn't even give you the time to actually decide or analyze the market before it shoots up or shoot down again. The 5 minutes gives you that time. Secondly, its frequent trading opportunity is what most scalpers are looking into. All right, compared to the 15 minute or 30 minute time frame that are also used by scalpers, the 5 minute time frame, after giving you the opportunity to actually make decisions quickly to buy or sell or hold your current your assets, it gives you this trading opportunity to buy frequently. Like a 5 minute scalper can decide to trade, buy and sell and make profits 10 times in a day or more, while a day trader or a swing trader or a 30-minute scalper get to do it just, let's say, once, twice, highest 3 times in a day. Okay, they end up buying low and selling high. So the frequency doesn't there's a significant difference in frequency in the amount of time in which both people trade. For instance, if I'm a 5 minute scalper and you're a day trader, I can trade more than 10 times in a day because I follow the 5 minute chart. With the proper analysis, I tend to buy low and sell high if I'm adaptive to my trend, unlike the day trader that ends up doing it just once in a day or twice and that's it. All right, I'm going to show you how to use the 5 minute chart in a bit. You see, guys, the first plan to every successful event or a success story is setting a goal. A good scalper ought to define and decide his profit target. All right, so just because you know how to buy low and sell high using the 24 hours indicator and your RSI and moving average does not mean that you should just get greedy and just be buying and selling, because the market tends to go up and down, and without aligning or adapting to the market trend, you might be at a risk of the downward movement of the market and you might not know. So please, before engaging in any trade every day, write it at the back of your mind, put it at the back of your mind that today I'm going to use the 5 minute scalping strategy and I just want to do 10 trades and that is it. Okay, give your brain some rest, give yourself some time to freshen up and recreate. All right, Secondly, you have to be familiar with identifying support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance are just some lines, some lines that are being drawn to actually determine the movement of the market. For instance, if this is a 5, let's put it at 5 minutes. Okay, so sorry, when you want to place it at 5 minutes, all you have to do is come here where it's written more, tap on it. It is going to give you varieties of different time frames, and then you just click on 5 minutes right here. So when you click on 5 minutes, this is going to give you the movement of BTC within the last 5 minutes. So each of this candle here, both the green and the red, all represent 5 minutes. Every candle you see here represents 5 minutes. Some are long, some are short. This is the body. Let me show you the body. This thick place over here is the body, and this is the wick. It's called the wick. This wick means that the market, there's a point in time within this 5 minutes that the market actually rose up to this level, all right, but then the sellers suppressed the market and the market stopped here. All right, it stopped here, and that was why after 5 minutes has expired, a new candle was formed starting from where this green candle stopped over here. Okay, and there's a point in time where this candle that was formed reached up to 58,808 over here, but then the sellers actually suppressed it down again to this level, all right, to this level, and it stopped here. Okay, sorry, this is where it started and it closed here. The screen is too small. It closed here, and another candle formed here. All right, so this is a topic for another day. I just want to give you a clear insight on how the candlestick works. So each of this candle represents 5 minutes when BTC was traded. Okay, all right. So guys, the support and resistance lines, although Binance, I don't think Binance do have that indicators. Let me just show you how it looks like. Okay, they are just lines that mostly forex traders use. It's like an equal sign. It's something like this and like this. It is used to actually see the highs and lows of various candlesticks in order to determine whether the candle, the market is going to go up or down. But in our case, I'm going to make it simple for you guys. All you have to do is hold on to the last candle. Since you are a 5-minute scalper, it's going to show you this this chart over here: time, open, high, low, close, change, and all that. All you are going to be looking for is the open of the body of the candle. It opened at 58,700, and then it went as high as 58,714, and it went as low as 58,593, and the current price is 58,602. All right, so there's a tendency that this price here is likely to go up since its high is 58,714. So that means since it's 58,597, the candle might go a little bit high. So a 5-minute scalper will just set his price as 58,590 and wait for it to go to 58,595 and just take profit. As you can see, the current price here is actually fluctuating. All right, it's currently at 606. While I'm explaining, okay, have you seen 611, 625? So a scalper that has capital will just place it at 58,600 and just wait for it to reach 58,620 or 58,630 and actually get his profit, and wait for the next candle to see the new price that's going to emerge. All right, the third thing we are going to talk about when actually using the 5-minute chart frame is how to monitor market volatility. All right, so a good scalper ought to measure the last 5 to 10 candlestick and then see where the market direction is heading to. All right, this will help him or her to set a switching price in accordance to the movement of the market. So just because you are profiting from the little price glitch or little price difference that is going on in the market doesn't mean that you should just keep enjoying the flow and the wave. You see, from clear indication, this trend, this candlesticks here are showing a possible buy signal on BTC. All right, so a good scalper will start buying at this second candle. All right, so when he starts buying, he'll just be following the trend gradually. You see this first one here, let me indicate it. This first one here, this second candle, sorry, it was 58,000. It opened at 58,226. The third one opened at 58,293. The fourth one opened at 58,004. So what I'm trying to show you is that the price is increasing with time. But that doesn't mean that you should just keep setting your limits, increasing the limit, setting your limit. Once in a while, after finishing a trade, wait for 3 or 4 more candles so that you can see if the market has changed direction, so that you can align with the new price that the market is giving. Okay, lastly, I would like to talk about the most important rule of the 5-minute trading strategy. All right, the fourth and last and most important rule is to stay disciplined, guys. I've always said trading as a whole is close to impossible without patience. A good trader never uses emotion to trade or make decisions. That is the worst thing that has happened to me during when I was learning trading. Do not use emotion to trade, guys. Whenever you want to trade, just deactivate your emotion, because I promise most of the time people end up losing. Just because I place a trade now, let's use this current price, I place a trade of 58,602 and suddenly the market starts dropping. It starts going down. Okay, just have you seen it's at 594 and I begin to panic. Oh my god, it's going down, the market's going down. And maybe I just decide to sell, and after selling it just spiked and went to 58,700 and 800, and I'm just gonna be regretting my actions. So please, guys, be disciplined and exercise patience and do not use emotion while trading. Okay, and when trading on a 5-minute time frame, as a scalper, you should learn how to use multiple indicators. I have taught you a lot of indicators that should be used simply on my previous videos, and there are more to come. The next video we're going to talk about after finishing this trading strategy is the RSI indicator and the EMA indicator. Okay, so you can, for now, you can use the 24 hours high and low. You can use the -2% depth, which I have explained in the previous video, and I think that will do for now. All right, and now we are done with the 1 to 5 minutes chart frame. We should head on to the 15 to 30 minutes chart frame, which is also known as the quick scalping, not lightning speed scalping. This is the quick scalping. We're going to start with the 15-minute chart. So let's just take our time frame to the 15-minute chart over here. Okay, tap on it and it's going to display varieties of intervals, so we'll just choose 15 minutes. Okay, I think it's even on the board over here. All right, so we'll just tap on 15 minutes and it's going to give us this chart frame. All right, so the 15-minute chart is a good scalping strategy, and it is really recommendable by scalpers. All right, so scalpers who want to align with the movement of wave and movement of the market, short-term momentum, just like the 5 minutes time frame, they also use this 15-minute time frame. And the 15-minute chart also provide enough time to analyze market movement. Okay, and it allows you to make quick trading decision. In fact, it allows you to make quick trading decision even more than the 5-minute time frame, because you have an extra 10 minutes to think and use proper indicators to actually see where the market is going. All right, and one of the main advantage of this 15-minute chart is that over the 1 or 5 minutes charts, the 15-minute charts tend to give you a very clean work, and it has less noise, and it gives you more clarity compared to the 5 minutes chart. All right, the 15-minute chart has a very clean view, and the market trend is very very quiet. What I mean is by very quiet is that it reduces false signals. Let's go to the 5-minute chart frame so that I can show you what I'm talking about. You see, in this 5-minute chart frame over here, you'll see a lot of short signals. Like, let me give an indication. Like this. You see, These are all called false signals. Some people call them hammer, some call them dragonfly. There are lots of names, but this false signal will get traders confused and they might not be able to know where the market is going. But with the 15-minute chart frame, okay, with the 15-minute chart frame, it gives you a more cleaner work. If you see this small these small candles over here, they are all going in the same direction. They don't form separately. They mostly form in the same direction. This shows that the 15 minutes chart is more clearer compared to the 5-minute chart. Always remember, the 15-minute chart frame has less frequency than the 5-minute chart frame. So if one is able to trade 10 times with the 5-minute chart frame, you might just face a trade of let's say 5 to 7 times if you are an active trader with the 15-minute chart frame, because you have to wait for 15 minutes before you make your next decision, unlike the 5 minutes. So if you're to ask me personally, comparing the 15 minutes and 5-minute chart frame, I'll undoubtedly choose the 15 minutes chart frame, because the 15-minute chart frame has more risk. Always remember, in trading, frequency has a very important role to play. With more frequent trading comes higher risk. Okay, so we should be prepared to adapt to change in the market condition when using 5 minutes over 15 minutes. Okay, so lastly, we are going to talk about the 30-minute chart. The 30 minutes chart is a chart for traders who want to capture medium-term market trend. All right, they tend to create a balance between frequency and the risk. All right, or should I say frequency, risk, and time. So these traders, they don't want to spend time always looking at their screen, worrying about slight price movement and so on. The 30-minute chart trend, they tend to provide scalpers with a clearer view of the market and trend, more clearer than the 15 minutes. So have you noticed something, guys? The more time that is being put into the time frame, the more clearer the market gets for the traders. All right, so this set of scalpers that use the 30-minute charts also provide little to no room for false signals. Let's go to the 30-minute chart frame. So we'll just click on more and choose 30 minutes over here. All right, click on it, and this is the 30-minute chart frame. So as you can see, it's just an uptrend or a downtrend, uptrend or downtrend. So this vision here will actually give the 30-minute scalpers more advantage or more insight of what is actually happening to BTC in the last 30 minutes and in the next 30 minutes, unlike the 15-minute traders. Okay, and the 30-minute chart frame has more manageable risk. That means you can manage risk and avoid over trading. What I mean by avoid over trading is that there's this addiction that traders do have. I do have it, but trying my best, to discipline myself. Whenever you're making money, for instance, I use my 2% always. So I just calculate 2% above the current price. Let's say I'm using a capital of $1,000, and for every trade I'll be making $20, and I know that at the end of the day, I'm gonna be making, if I'm gonna be having 10 trades within 24 hours, I'm gonna be making $200. But if I happen to finish my trade before dawn, maybe before 2 p.m., then something will just start telling me to just do one more, just one more, a little one more. After the 11th one, something will start telling me to do the 12th one. And so you have to discipline yourself. Okay, so the 30-minute scalpers don't have that addiction much like the 15 minutes or the 5-minute traders, because they read the market once every 30 minutes. So there's no time for you to keep doing that buying and selling. All right, so the best traders that enjoy this time frame are not actually scalpers. Okay, the best traders that enjoy this time frame are the swing traders, the intraday traders who want to hold asset for a few hours. Okay, and we'll talk about that in another video, because this video is getting longer and longer. And here's one thing, okay, the best thing I'm going to talk about in this video, the best time frame for you will depend on your trading style, your risk tolerance, your market analysis, and of course your ability to make quick decisions. Alright, I'm going to repeat it. The best time frame for you will depend on your risk tolerance, your trading style, your market analysis, and of course your ability to make quick decision. So just because I give an example or an advantage of the 5-minute time frame and also give an advantage of the 15-minute time frame doesn't mean that you should follow what I said. You know yourself better than me, so you know how quick you are to making decision and making market analysis. I'm just giving you the pros and cons so you can hop into it and decide for yourself. Okay, so in our next video we'll talk about day trading, swing trading, investment trading, and the rest. I hope this video helps, and I hope you do have a nice day. Ciao.